So now that I've got my coils made, I want to get 3 of the same length piece. So I'll take one of them and cut it in half, and take the other and just make the same length. Pinch those together at the top. Bring 2 to one side and 1 to the other. I like to go ahead and smooth this out. You'll notice as you're rolling your coils and stretching them out that sometimes the clay will start to get cracks. This is easily fixed by just smoothing it out with a moist sponge. And even if it cracks as you're doing the braiding, you can go back after you've made the braid and smooth that out. So you're going to just start braiding just by taking the outer of the 2, and bringing it over to the individual. And at each turn, you want to push down so that you get a nice, otherwise you'll have a lot of gap in between your braid. You just repeat this process until you've gotten till the very end. And see, that's, I don't know if you can see, but that's the cracking I was talking about, which I'll smooth out with a sponge later on. That's really no big deal. And once you get to the very end of this, you can just pinch it. And pinch the beginning so that you have a nice beginning and a nice end.